Hi there, it's Chris here from selfmadenewbie.com. Welcome to this VidKreator Max review. For those of you out there who are looking to start getting into YouTube or using YouTube as a tool to market products, to market affiliate products, to act as a magnet that are gonna send users to affiliate products, and you're not really good with video, you'd rather curate content, curate proven content, have more of a text, animation, multimedia style video, then VidKreator Max is definitely going to be for you. Today we're going to get into a big thorough deep dive into VidKreator Max, see what it's all about, have an over-the-shoulder look so you can see exactly what it's going to do for you. As well as that, we're going to go into some bonus products that I've sourced for you that are going to go hand in hand with VidKreator Max so you really get the most out of it and you really hit the ground running. A lot of people are already ranting and raving about this product. People are using it, people are throwing out videos, driving their audience back to ClickBank offers, making a lot of money. This is a video making, money making tool. So before we get into all that though, it'd really help me out if you dropped a like on this video, hit subscribe and turn on that bell notification if you wanna be updated on other platforms, money making platforms that are coming out nearly every day. Also, just quickly, if you want to jump ahead and check out VidKreator Max at any time during this video or check out the demo, check the description below for the time code. Also, if you want to check VidKreator sales page out by yourself or the bonus page that I just mentioned, also click the link in the description. You'll be taken through to my bonus page, which looks like this. So you have legal stuff at the top, my contact details if you run into any problems, and the way that my bonus page works is it is integrated with the official VidKreator Max sales page. So what happens is if you click on any of these green buttons, it will lock in all those bonuses for you, and before then sending you off to the VidKreator Max sales page. If you do decide to purchase, you'll be sent a digital receipt which looks like this, and as I said, under the green button will be VidKreator Max and under the blue button will be all those bonuses that I just mentioned. So by going through that link, you're getting not just VidKreator Max but this massive bundle that is exclusive to my link. And it's the best bonus bundle out there because I'm hooking you up with about 30 extra products today. The first one is YouTube Authority. So if you're going to be throwing videos out, I don't care if there's a little bit of training on there, YouTube Authority, this product is just updated a few weeks ago, and it's everything you need to know about becoming an authority on YouTube, making videos, ranking, putting your descriptions and tags and headings and all that in order. It's a very nuanced thing, and this is going to show you exactly how to maximize your results with YouTube video. The second bonus I've gotten for you is ClickBank marketing secrets. So VidKreator Max, you'll see in the demo, there will be a bit on how it can integrate with ClickBank so you can use video, curate video content in order to drive audiences to ClickBank offers, and that is essentially how you're making your money. So I threw in a product there. It's going to teach you all the ins and outs about ClickBank, how to make money through there. It's a proven strategy. The third bonus I've gotten for you is online marketing secrets. So this is going to go again into video creation, but what are the elements of a viral video? If you can make anything go viral, whether that audience is really targeted or not, if you're talking about a couple 100,000 people or traffic, it always equals massive amounts of sales. So this goes into what are the elements of viral content and how can you use VidKreator Max in order to create online viral content. The fourth bonus I've gotten for you is a two-part bonus. I decided to throw these both in there. The first one is called Video Marketing Profit Kit and the second one is called Video Launch Method. So this goes into not only product launches, which that second bonus goes into, but just if you are putting up videos that are meant to sell, basically, Video Market Profit Kit is going to tell you how to sell. So it goes into copy, it goes into how to speak to people, how to speak to your audience in a way that triggers emotions, hits on those pain points, triggers people to have intrigue, to want to buy what you're selling. You can't just get on the camera and start rabbiting away. You need to know that psychology. You need to know essentially how to sell. So VidKreator Max, it is helping you make those kinds of videos. We're not making Hollywood movies or vlogs over here. We're making videos that do one thing. They drive traffic to offers that people buy so you make money. That's why these two products are going to go hand in hand really well, give you a bit of extra training on that sales marketing side. The fifth bonus I've gotten for you, I've probably undervalued this by quite a lot because I've hooked you up, or the vendor has hooked me up in order to hook you up with about 20 odd bonuses. Let's take a look really quick. So we've got Webby app, we've got Ultra Vid, we've got Vid PX Pro, Video Strike, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and Tumblr hashtag Genius Pro, Logo Studio for creating graphics. We've got VidConnect, Link Supremacy, which helps you with your backlinks, and Facebook Vidmatic. So all these video, site building, monetizing related products, they're all yours, as well as crush it with YouTube with resale rights, YouTube Cash, YouTube Celebrity, Get Google Traffic, Backlink Basics, SEO Tactics for today, WordPress Video Attention, SEO Skills Mastery, Traffic Inclination, Keyword Tool Software, Viral Infographic Traffic, Pricing Table Generator app, very useful, Reoccurring Income Course, Targeted Instagram Video Course, and also Product Creation Formula. So I don't know how many that is, but I know it's a lot. So if that all sounds good to you, it's step one. Click that link in the description, take you through to my bonus page. You click on these green buttons, it secures every single one of those bonuses I just mentioned before sending you off to the VidKreator Max sales page, which looks like this. I recommend checking this out in your own time. Check out the testimonials, check out how much money people have made. You can see right here. Go through it so you, of course, are able to make a more informed decision whether it's right for you or not. And I also should mention that you should keep your eye on this countdown timer because this is a launch week special after all. So when this goes down to 0, those bonuses will no longer be available. And so I do recommend getting in sooner rather than later. Basically, the sooner you get in, the more you get for the lower price. Okay, so right now we're going to jump into a demo from the creators of VidKreator Max. So let's check it out.
So this is how the dashboard looks. Basically, you can get a complete overview of entire VidKreator Max system. So the first section is the overview of how many videos you have created, pending videos, and YouTube uploads. And this is the history of videos that has been created in VidKreator Max. And in this section, you can get the complete details like when it was created, what is the project title, what is the size, and then you can get a link to download the video directly. And in this section, you will see all the videos that has been uploaded into YouTube and their link, title, and rest of its information. In this section, you will see all the YouTube accounts that has been attached with VidKreator Max, and here you can see all the social accounts that has been attached. And now in this section you will see all the medias, that is, for example, all the images that has been created with VidKreator Max and all the custom images that has been uploaded. The same goes for videos and also the audios. So now let's move to the next section. So here, site video, this is where you can create a video out of any website that you want. You have a lot of configurable options. For example, our system will take a complete screenshot of the website, it will break it, and you can easily customize it. Okay, along with website screenshot, it will also download all the images from the website, and also it will grab all the text from the website. And you can use all of them along with Pixabay images to create your video. And for audio, you will have two options. First option is to use the text from the website, and the second option is to record your own voice. So I will give you a short and quick walkthrough on that. So let me pull up a website, and this process takes couple of minutes because system has to go through a big process. Yeah, now it's done. So first step is to give you a title, and here you can preview the entire screenshot of the website, and here you can use our Pixabay integration system. And if you, like for example, if you want to add a image that is related to computer, you just need to type as computer, and click on search, it will automatically connect to Pixabay system and it will grab all the images. And to use this image, you just need to click on the checkbox and click on save changes. That's it. So this is the first step. And in the second step here, you can select the images that you want in your video. That is, these are the images that are in the target website. And after that, you will see the website screenshots. You can select the images that you want, and along with that, you can easily rearrange them as you like it. You just need to click, drag and drop. It is that simple. So after that, you have option, that is audio options. You can either use the text, you just need to copy the text and paste it here, or else you can record your own voice. Okay, and for the text, you can convert it into any language that you want. So we have a lot of language selections here, and as well as the voices. So this is all about configuring your that is the images and text. Now let's move to the next step. So in this step, you can configure an intro and outro of your video. You can select intro, like you can use a video, or else you can use images, or else Pixabay image for the intro, and the same thing goes for outro as well. And for the audio, you can record your own voice and that will be merged with your intro video. So basically you can do everything in this space related to intro and outro. That is on step 3. And in step 4, you can add a watermark to your video. Along with watermark, you can add a lower third and its text. So that is all about site video section. So once you click on submit, you will get the video in the gallery or else in the list. Okay, so now let's move to the rebrander section. This section will help you to rebrand a video. For example, you can upload a video from your system or else from Google Drive, and then you can add an intro, outro, add lower third, and all those options that you have seen just now. So I'll just put a title. I'll select a video. So I'll use this video and click on next step. Here you can configure intro, outro, the same option as we saw in site video. Once done, you can configure a watermark, lower third and everything. This section is specifically for those people who already have a video and just want to do some minor modification on that. So this is all about rebrander. Now let's move to Max Creator. So in this section, our system will grab all the videos from the target website and it will allow you to download that video and add an intro, outro, lower third, watermark and text into that. The process is pretty simple and straightforward. So let me quickly show that to you. Click on submit. That is, enter URL, click on submit. Now it will grab,
everyone, Ali G here. Now
it will grab all the videos from that website. So far I have a lot of videos, so I just need to select the video that I want. So I'll be selecting this video and go to next step. Here I will configure my intro and outro. I can either use a video or else images or else a Pixabay image, and the same thing for outro as well. And in the next step, I'll be able to configure watermark, lower third and text options. So this is basically for downloading a video from other website and rebranding them with just few clicks. So that's all about Max Creator. Now the image editor. It is a powerful image editor and you can create an image from a URL or else you can start from scratch. So all you need to do is to click on image editor, click on create new and set the resolution, click on create. So here, this is the space where you can create your image. For example, if you want to add a text, just click on the text that is style here and then select the color. So see, you can see the image is created with some text in it. If you want to edit the text, just click on this and add whatever you want. So this is about the image editor usage, and if you want to save this image, you just need to click on save and it will automatically save the image into our image gallery. Okay, so this is all about the image editor, and let's move to gallery. Here you can upload your own videos, plus you can see all the videos that has been created by Site Video Creator, Rebrander and Max Creator. So here you can also upload a video from your local system, and for that we have two options. First option is to upload from local disk, and the second option is to upload, that is import a video from your Google Drive. And to that, to import a video, you need to click on add from video. It will ask for authorization. Once done, it will show all the videos that are in your Google Drive, and with just one click you can import all of them. So this is about video gallery, image gallery and audio gallery. And now if you want to find high converting offers and the offers that are really good, you don't need to go to different marketplaces. We have everything integrated into our system. For example, YouTube, for example, JVZoo, Warrior Plus and ClickBank. So for example, to use ClickBank, all you need to do is to just click on ClickBank, type some keyword. I'll just type as website, click on go. Now it will find all the products that are related to this particular tag, and all you need to do is just to click on the affiliate page, or else like if you want to know more information about that, and to get the affiliate link, all you need to do is to click on promote. So it will open up the ClickBank dialog box where you can create your own hop link. So this is all about researching an affiliate product. Now let's move to settings. So in the setting, this is where you can add your YouTube channel and you can link all your social accounts into our system. So for YouTube accounts, all you need to do is to go to YouTube accounts, click on add channel, then it will ask for authorization. Once you authorize our app, it will import all the YouTube channels into our system, and then you can upload videos into those channels.
Alright, I hope you enjoyed that demo. I hope you're excited to get your hands on VidKreator Max to see exactly what it can do for you. Now, really quickly, I'm just going to run you through the sort of funnel that you're going to go through if you do decide to purchase. So the front end is $19 and that will go up to $22 through my link. And you're essentially getting everything you saw there. So Google Translate, convert the whole interface into any language, create video screenshots of any website, add intros and outros, generate intros and outros, upload custom intros and outros, built-in voices in over 170 languages, directly upload to YouTube, auto post on social media platforms, and complete Pixabay integration on main video, intro and outro. Now I should say that you do only need that front end to get access to all the bonuses we talked about earlier. You don't need these upgrades if you don't want them, but you will go through that funnel when you do purchase. There are a few extra features in Pro, a few extra features and licenses in Enterprise, and you get coaching there that they're offering you for $97, where if you're a complete newbie, $97 for coaching is pretty good. And then if you want to resell this product and get the the reselling rights, that's also only $97, usually double that actually. So pretty good pricing there, especially when you take into consideration everything you're getting. That's it's almost 30 bonus products altogether, all kind of built and provided around helping you get the most out of VidKreator Max. So if you have any questions, feel free to message me in the comments, social media, email, however you want. I do reply to absolutely everybody. If not, enjoy VidKreator Max. Hope you love those bonuses, and I'll catch you again on the next video. Take care.